The morning news. Oh my goodness, that's pretty bad. Let's look at the live radar. Let's look at the air quality. Let's go take a look at air traffic. There we go. Everything looks a-okay. Top 3 flights. You must be having lots of fun if you're flying around in one of those. Space news. Oh, that's pretty cool. So next up, sorry CNN, you lost. Al Jazeera, what do we got? This is all war right here. Then war in politics. No war in politics. Aside from this one right here. The dark underbelly of Pakistan's male body image revolution. Pretty much all the same. This is dumb, people. Come on. Find some real news. Okay, Sky News. Yeah, I think I'm done with Sky News as well. Taiwan news. Street performer Balloon Man dies in Australia. What? Oh no. Taipei Times. This is Focus Taiwan. Okay. On to China. China Daily. Whoa. That is pretty cool. This is Global Times in China. See how they framed it in Taiwan and how they frame it in China? Global Times. CGTN.com. Huh? I don't think it works like that. No, it doesn't work like that. That's not how emissions work. You can't buy your way out of... Once you admit it, it's out there. The Indian Express. Next. Hindustan Times. Better get your facts right if you're going to report on cyber news. I can't. No. Nope. Not going to happen. So we're off to Times of India. I'm just going to kind of gloss over India right now. Indie TV. Yeah, the bulldozer thing. Japan. Power outage halts bullet trains in eastern Japan. Okay. That makes a little more sense. I thought they were just burning anime. What do we got, Japan? What do we got? It was co-developed by the firm behind the Transformer toys. That goes to the Discord. Coffee on the coaster. Japan Times. Next. Oh look, they have news. They made a news update. Oh nope, it's the same news. So another Australian news site because the other one is fairly garbage. News.com.au with the slogan "Be on it." Okay, I think that's about it. We got vz.ru, Russian news. So we're just going to keep on going through and getting more articles. Bad weather in Sevastopol. RT. Oh, man, if you piss off a farmer, you are so screwed. Tech giant Yandex gets new Russian owner ahead of restructuring. Ooh, Yandex is the Google of Russia. Every Russian hacker I've ever seen like a wanted photo of, they're always like smiling at a party. From the streets to the Kremlin, Russia's gang culture defines strength. But in the Discord, of course. Okay. DW.com, we're on to Germany. Okay, we're gonna keep on going. Agriculture and colère angry farmer shout. So what's the utilities market gonna look like when things go to zero emissions? We're on to Africa. Okay. Bangladesh. Petroleum and Natural Gas Senior Staff Association. There's just something about that whole West African area. They love acronyms. They got an acronym for everything. Thank you to my one viewer. You're the real hero.